Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use paddle shifters in your Audi S5. To begin, understand that paddle shifters give you manual control over your car's gears, enhancing your driving experience. You'll find them conveniently located behind your steering wheel. The left paddle is for downshifting, while the right paddle handles upshifts. This setup allows for quick and precise gear changes, perfect for spirited driving or when you need more control. To engage the paddle shifters, simply pull either paddle while in drive, or shift your gear selector into sport mode. Your Audi S5 will then enter a temporary manual mode. If you don't use the paddles for a short period, the car will smoothly transition back to automatic driving. However, a quick pull on a paddle instantly puts you back in control, allowing for dynamic adjustments on the fly. When driving with paddle shifters, anticipate your gear changes. For instance, downshift before entering a corner to keep your engine in its power band, ensuring a strong exit. Upshift smoothly as your RPMs climb, preventing the engine from hitting its limiter. They are also excellent for engine braking, which helps save your conventional brakes, particularly when descending steep hills or approaching a stop. For advanced use, practice makes perfect. Find a safe, open area to get a feel for the timing and responsiveness of your S5's paddle shifters. Experiment with combining them with your Audi Drive. Select modes to truly customize your driving experience, from comfort to dynamic. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Mastering these techniques will unlock the full potential of your Audi S5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.